Hi everyone, this is part 4 of our Mickey and Minnie tutorial. This is the Mickey variation portion. In this tutorial we'll be making the shorts and the buttons. If you are making the Minnie variation, make sure you head over to part 5 because we'll be doing all the parts for Minnie there. Alright, so for this tutorial the first thing we're going to do is make Mickey's eyebrows. So you're going to need your black yarn to start. Alright, and you can thread your tapestry needle with your black yarn and bring it up through the front of the face, and we are just going to follow right along the path of the stitching and make the eyebrows using a back stitch. So you're going to come out ahead of where you need to go and then go back. Or you can just use a standard running stitch, whatever stitch you like to use. And we are going to sew on the eyebrows in the row about, I think, 2 rows up from the eyes. And just follow the pattern of the stitches. Let's make the buttons, and you're going to need your white yarn to start. And we're going to start by making a magic ring with 4 single crochets. One, 2, 3, and 4. Next, we're going to do an increase round, and we're going to increase from 4 stitches to 8 stitches by increasing in every stitch. So we single crochet 1, and in the same stitch we increase for 2, 3, and increase for 4, 5, and increase for 6, 7, and increase for 8. And that's it, we're all done, so you can slip stitch and chain 1 to finish off, and then you can rewind this video to make your other one. And to sew them on, we're just going to sew them on using the same technique we used for the face and all of the other parts pretty much, so you can pin them in place. Now, I actually changed the pattern for the body a little bit since I made this tutorial. The one that you made has 2 extra rows that mine does not have, so hopefully the buttons won't overlap with the legs too bad. But when I made mine, the buttons had to overlap with the legs, which is why I added a couple extra rows in the body for the one that you guys are making, because it didn't look very good having them overlap with the legs. So hopefully your buttons won't overlap too much with the legs. They might overlap a little. Alright, let's make the shorts. And you're going to need your red yarn to start. And we're going to start by chaining 12. Alright, and then we're going to slip stitch into the first chain so that we can join the round. And next we're just going to single crochet 1 in each chain for the next 3 rounds. So your first round will be 1 in each chain, and then the rounds after that will just be 1 in each stitch. So you just go 1 in each stitch all the way around for 3 rounds, and I'll meet you back here when that's all done. Alright, so we're all done. And we can slip stitch and chain 1 to finish off. And this is 1, and you can rewind this video to make your other one. And now all we need to do is sew it onto the leg. So you can slide it over the top of the leg, and then sew both the leg and the shorts together onto the body, just like that. And then once you do that, we'll be all done. That's it. So this is it. This is our finished Mickey. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I know it was really long. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you really like this tutorial, you can check me out on Patreon. I've got lots of other tutorials there that are exclusive just for patrons. You can also check out more patterns and videos on studiocrafty.com. So once again, thank you for sticking with this tutorial. Congratulations on finishing it, and I will see you in the next video.